What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B. Hey, today, man, I got a nice little video for you. I'm headed to my boy Big Knock house. That's what we call him. And hey, it's been a buddy of mine for some years. We both were guitar players, and that's how we actually met in church playing guitar. We was at like a quartet program. If anybody know about a quartet program, we met there. And yeah, and we've been friends for, man, I would say at least 20 years, man, or 15, 20 years, something like that. But it's been a long time. So yeah, man, but I got a nice little surprise for him right there. You see, I got 2 boxes right there. Hey, yeah, 2 nice little boxes for my buddy. He just got him another bike. His bike Candy went down on him a little bit a while ago, and he got to put a new motor in it. So yeah, and Candy is a clean board too. It's an older model Road Glide, but this Road Glide he got here, he just went and got. He's in a MC, great guy, man, great friend of mine. We talk sometimes while we out rolling, cause he's a truck driver just like I am. And sometimes we just out early in the morning. He's out about the same time. When I'm going to work and going out, he be coming in from somewhere. Yeah, great guy. Been driving trucks for, I want to say 20 some years. And just a down to earth good guy. Y'all are going to get a chance to meet him when we get over here. We almost here. And man, big shout out to my people who sent me the boxes. I'll let you know who they are when we get over here, y'all. So y'all stay tuned till I pull up at his house and everything. So, you know, I don't want to get his address all on camera and all that and where he lives. So a lot of people don't like that. So I don't want that to happen anyway. So y'all stay tuned till I get over here and you can get a chance to meet him. And I told him,
in a quarter mile, turn left onto West J. Boa.
So yeah, we finna pull up. That's him calling me right now. What's up, bro?
Man, you on the bike?
No, I'm in my truck. The boxes was too big. You on camera too, man, so I'm videoing right now. So yeah.
Nah, I was just asking, bro, it looks like it's gonna rain.
No, man, I'm finna pull up right now. I'm 4 minutes away.
Oh, right?
Yeah, I'm 4 minutes.
Okay.
I'm right here. I'm making this right turn. I'm finna pull up here in about 3 minutes.
All right, bro.
All right, so yeah. So that's my dude right there. So y'all get a chance to meet him when we get over here. Let's go.
Yeah, from the heart of Texas where the wide roads run, Kelly B gliding, rides into the sun on a road glide Kong, 140 strong, tearing up the blacktop, humming like a song. He's got that grace, he's got that style, burning rubber, racking miles, with the thunder in his engine and a spark in his eye. He's a legend on wheels, no need to try. Kelly B gliding, wind in his face, chasing the horizon, leaving no trace. Ain't got too many, a brother or a guide, making friends wherever he rides, with bogey biker rolling side by side through the 3 twisted sisters. What a ride!
All right, y'all, we are here at my dude's house, man. Hey, this dude got his garage set up so nicely. Hey, big dog, Big Knock. Look at him, dog. He got this music on. I'm gonna turn this thing off, man, so I won't get no copy strikes on my thing right there.
Don't get kicked.
But that's him right there. Big Knock, man. Y'all probably done seen him on the channel once before we met up. So y'all. But that's Candy, oh yeah, I was just telling them about Candy. What's so crazy about it? All right, y'all, today, y'all, we got a great video for you today. Y'all know I'm a Memphis shade, man. I've been rocking Memphis shades probably for the last 4 or 5 years. Actually, that was my first windshield that I had on Khrome when I first got my bike. So today, y'all, my dude Big Knock behind me, and Memphis shade was nice enough to send me some handguards for my boy. My boy just got a brand. What year is your bike?
This is 2020.
He got a 2020. Yeah, he upgraded a little bit because he been rocking Candy for years over there. But remember Shay sent me some handguards out. This man is a ground pounder. I don't know if he want to give his MC name, but they send a windshield.
Right there on my back.
Huh?
I said, there it is right there on my back.
Oh yeah. Hell's Ego right here, man. That he's a part of them. You been with them for how long, bro?
Almost 10 years.
Almost 10 years with them, rocking with them fellas. And they some ground pounders as well, man. But I've been knowing this cat for probably, dude, we've been knowing about 15, 20 years, man. We've been knowing each other for a minute. We met at a quartet program, like I was telling y'all in the truck. Hey, like I said, we both guitar players, and we pretty similar. We old school, man. We play cards, man. So yeah, we play cards. So, but Memphis Shades was nice enough to send this over to him, and I really appreciate Memphis Shades being in my corner for the last.
Man, I appreciate them too, boss.
Yeah, man. They big ups to them, man. My dude Mike over there, a great guy. Been working with me for years. Man, I had switched over at one time and got another windshield, the competition windshield, but I had issues with that thing cracking and everything else. And I think a couple of my other buddies had issues with that one too. I won't call no names of the other company or the competition, nothing like that. But y'all, we gonna get this on here from a dude, and he already, man, he just got this bike, y'all. And this dude already putting stuff on this bike, man. I come up here, he got stuff already on this boy. He one of them guys like me. Like I said, he's a truck driver, been driving for what, 20, 21, 22
28 years.
28, I'm wrong.
Yeah,
I was off big time. I said 20 years. He's 28 years, y'all. This guy about ready to retire. You younger than me, ain't you? Yeah. So yeah, man, this cat been driving for, I didn't want to give his company name, but yeah, he been driving for a while, man. Yeah, big time, man. I've been driving for 13 years, so I'm way behind this cat, man. And he younger than me. I just got started in the game late. So y'all, we ain't gonna hold the video long. We're gonna go crack this box open. I told him he gonna do the work. But it's very easy. Y'all already know how to put the windshield on the bike. So yeah. So we're gonna get that done and get this put on. And I think this is the then we got the 6.5 the shades. Look at that. Look at the difference and why I like Memphis Shades. I never had an issue with them at all. I had a 10-inch when I first got mine. But yeah, we're gonna let my dude put this boy on. And yeah, we're gonna get rid of this stock right here, y'all. And I think everybody always changing their stock windshield. So yeah, we're gonna get this on, bro. This is you all. It's all you, bro. Ooh, that's gonna look good on there too. And you just gotta throw the screws back in there. And
Clean some of this stuff out of here.
so he'll ground pound his bike a little dirty. And one thing that I like about this man, when he does his bike, he always customizes it. This is the Black Mumble right here. Y'all see that? And I'm gonna show y'all the one he got on Candy, cause that was drew me to him when I first saw his bike. But that is clean. I don't know where you get this done at, but that is off the charts. I'm gonna show you on Candy how that one look. This is Candy right here. Look at that. How you got that. So yeah, man. Hey, this sucker got a pretty garage. I'm about to, who you say done this garage? A young lady?
Nah, she did my oil painting.
Okay.
She did that oil paint and that oil paint over there.
Oh, nice.
She was 16. But nah, my classmate painted it for me.
Oh, that's nice. Y'all check it out.
I found a guy on Instagram that did my floor.
Oh yeah. He got the nice. He got the pretty flows, man. This is what my wife wanted in the garage too, as well. So yeah, man, this man got a nice garage. That's why I need to be shooting my videos, y'all. I'm about to come up here.
It sound like my club members, man. This the clubhouse.
Yeah, shoot my videos up here. So yeah, we're gonna get this on right here. Y'all know it's only 4 screws to go on in here. Hopefully this will be the right one that for him if he don't have to go up anymore. But this is the one I actually rock myself, and I don't get any wind buffering at all at high speeds on how fast
I need one while I'm smoking a cigar.
So yeah,
I know you got some cigar smokers out there.
Yeah, exactly. And like I said, I know he gonna put wheels on here. I already know this bike gonna be done up right here, and I can't wait to see whatever everything he gonna do to it. I see you done did the side covers of them side covers came on. You already did that?
I put side covers on there, heat shield. Got the seat recovered.
Okay. Y'all see some of the stuff he already got done.
Need to get that demon headlight.
The Shark Demon from Custom Dynamics. Yeah.
Is that, what, is that who got him?
That boy's bright.
Yeah, my partner got one. He got a yellow and clear one.
Yeah. That already changed the look of the bike up.
You hear me?
Uh-huh.
That look good. But it looked like it might be a little shorter.
I'm saying we need to, man. We'll have to go up to 8.5.
Nah, that'll make it work.
We can do an 8.5 and go up, and then it come up.
What they go up to, a 10?
I know they do 10. I'm thinking they might go to a 12, but I have to check the website to see.
I don't want it to look like no police bike now.
Hey, that's one reason. That's one reason I got that right there. I think you'll be okay though. I think you'll be okay because I don't get no wind in my face at all.
Cool.
None at all in my face. So, and I'm rocking the same exact windshield, and I'm a little bit taller than you.
Right.
So, and I think most time I feel the wind it's way up here.
Oh, yeah,
yes,
cool.
yeah, cause that's with that curve it shoots it right over your head. So, yeah, but it did change the bike. Yeah, you get them headlights, you're gonna definitely be on point, dude. And I'm gonna tell you another thing to do. Get them lights from Custom Dynamics in here.
Go
Feel the
in
light?
there?
Yeah. Hey, I might bless you with some because I got some stuff that I'm doing to Khrome, and I'm pulling those lights off.
Speaking of that, did you bring that decal with you?
Oh man, I left it right on top of my. I knew I was forgetting something. Gosh, yeah, I got some decals, some Harley Shield decal. Man, we have to meet up you tomorrow or something. I can come back through here or and bring them to you. I forgot about that, and I looked at them yesterday, and I meant to put them on top of these boxes yesterday. So yeah, I got some decals that I took off Khrome, and that I'm giving to him, and because I know he's trying to get this boy right, because I know he a ground pounder. He you know how we ground pounders are. We got to look right, not just ground pound on a dirty bike. It's gonna be clean, gonna look good. So yeah, but we getting this on right here from Memphis shades, y'all. Y'all, that look good on the bike already, y'all. But now we finna do the handguards, y'all. We gotta take the mirror out on both sides, and we gonna get it put in. This man like these little bitty mirrors on here. He got them on candy too.
Yeah, I don't like them big old mirrors, man.
So y'all, the best handguards in the business, y'all. I done seen the competition. I don't really like the competition. You got some that look really big, and I don't like mine's too big. And these been a game changer for me on Khrome because I get knocked in the hand. Hey, Memphis shades, you gotta make some for my gold wing. I went to Colorado and I got dinged in the hand probably at least 4 or 5 times by bugs and rocks, and man, it hurts. So yeah, and definitely another windshield for. I know y'all used to make them, but I need one for my 2024 DCT gold wing as well. And yeah, but these are the best handguards. I'm gonna show them to you when we get them on a bike. All right, y'all. It won't be a long installation. If you want to see, I would tag my video when I put these on so you can see how to put them on. They're very easy to install on the bike. So yeah, but y'all, what you think about the windshield though? But we're gonna pull the whole bike out when we get the handguards on, and we're gonna do a walk around. All right, let's go. All right, y'all, this is what come in here. You got a left and a right side, and you got the bracket, you got the 2 screws, you got a little rubber in here so you won't crack anything. You got some lock washers, and you got them for each side. So yeah, this is, and like I said, let me show you the handguards. I like the gloss black handguards that Memphis shades have. right, y'all. Man, y'all see the bike. The bike is looking good. He like it. He happy with it. So hey, man. Yeah. So y'all, we gonna end the video right here. I appreciate Memphis Shades again for helping me out and rocking with me for the last couple of years and getting my boy this windshield right here. Yeah, it brought the bike out, y'all, big time. It looked better. Like I say, it's doable, it's thick, and it's great quality. Big ups to Memphis Shades, y'all. We're gonna end it right here.
Appreciate you, Memphis Shades.
Hey, until the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed one. We out of here, man. Peace.
Turns, another lesson learned. Kelly B's rolling, hear that engine cry. Riding like the stars are falling from the sky. Hard on the road, soul in the ride. Forever bold on that Kelly B glide.